India, the land of spices, is renowned for its black pepper, often called the king of spices. With its potent taste and medicinal properties, Indian black pepper is highly sought after globally. As 2025 approaches, evolving trade policies and demand patterns present new opportunities for Indian exporters. In 2024 alone, India exported over 25,000 metric tons of black pepper, valued at more than $120 million. Major Indian exporters like Agro, SR Exports, and Royal Spices lead the charge. The United States, India, and Vietnam are top importers, while Canada and the United Kingdom are key markets. India remains a top exporter, competing with Vietnam and Brazil. In 2024, India exported approximately 20,000 to 25,000 metric tons of black pepper, valued over $120 million. Kochi, Tuticorin, and Chennai are major exporting ports. The top HS codes for black pepper are 090412000, 0904130, and 330190013. To thrive in 2025, focus on quality over quantity, utilize online marketplaces, and establish a personal brand. Understanding market-specific preferences and staying updated with export incentives are crucial for success in the global spice market. The year 2025 holds immense potential for India's black pepper exports. By prioritizing quality, innovation, and compliance, Indian exporters can capitalize on the growing global demand for authentic spices.